Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle that has a big 468 big block motor in it. It's got less than a few thousand miles on the entire build of the motor. Lunati street cam. It's got an overdrive 700 R4 transmission. It's got a mild shift kit, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, 12-bolt, 355 gear ratio with a posi unit, Hotchkis rear suspension, front tubular control arms, power steering, power disc brakes, gorgeous corporate blue paint job, black vinyl top, very clean, very nice, solid Chevelle. It's got the Cowl induction hood, SS hood pins on it, but the paint is stunning on this car. Nice Cooper Cobra radial GT tires, front disc brakes like I mentioned earlier, and dual exhaust. That sounds amazing on the car. Bucket seats on the inside, center console. As you can see, the SS center console, SS bucket seats, brand new SS steering wheel. Very nice door panels, new door sill plates, buckets, as you can see, I think I mentioned that already, with seat belts. Headliner, tight dome light functions, beautiful package tray on the car, excellent vinyl top. Cortez silver stripes on the Chevelle. Chrome is really nice, as you can see, the torque thrust wheels, dual exhaust with the sway bar in the back. Trunk is super clean, very nice, solid, clean paint, nice weather stripping, no rot, no rust. Beautiful solid car. Man, love them stripes. Car sounds real healthy. I'm gonna fire it up. I want you guys to check it out. Nice door lips and excellent. I mean, look how crisp and nice the door jambs are. Very impressed on the overall quality of the Chevelle. Beautiful. Let's fire this up. It's not a real SS, guys. I want you guys to know that up front. As you can notice, the sweep dash. Let's fire this up. Let's get the square key out. Car sounds real healthy. It's a brand new dash pad that we just installed, door sill plates and wheel opening moldings. We just installed all that. Real healthy. I'm estimating over 500 horse on this one. Real slick paint. Aluminum radiator. Woo! Gonna go for a little ride. Lights work, wipers function. After they installed the 468 motor, the heat is disconnected. Volts works, oil pressure works, about 60 pounds, and the water temp does work. Aftermarket Bluetooth radio functions as well. Fuel gauge operates good, and the speedo. And you can feel that shift kit. This car feels solid, guys. Suspension feels nice and tight. guaranteed suspension rebuild on this car. And obviously with all the upgrades, you gotta expect it. Oh, this thing wants to go. It's a 700 R4 overdrive trans on the Chevelle. Wow. Ooh, baby. If you love Chevelles with lots of power, you found it right here. The handling is this thing really, really nice. Suspension feels great, like I said. Turn signals function. Brakes feel really good on the car as well. I drive a lot of these things, and this is right on the top of my list. That's just quarter throttle. Very nice. Oh, there's a lot of traffic out today. I'm just going to bust a U-turn here. There's too much traffic going that way. Look how it turns. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Killer. Oh, baby! That's 75 miles an hour, boys! Whoa! Yes! Big block Chevelle. That's why you spend the money. That's a thrill in itself. Jesus! Whew. Sorry, I get too excited. I love my job. I get too excited when I get these badass cars. Whoa, man. All right, let me calm down a little bit. My heart's beating. All right, if you guys need financing, we can do so. I'm just gonna park here and get out and get some fresh air. That was wicked badass. All right, so listen, if you need financing, I mean, look at this thing. Wow. If you need financing and if your credit score is between 600 and 739, rates are like 4 3/4 to 7%. Okay, you'll need about 10% down. They go up to an 84-month term. They could go longer, but the rate will be a little bit higher if you need a longer term, up to 144 months. Now, if that's you and you got the 10% down and that your credit score is between 600 and 739, well, go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com, and fill out the credit application. Now, for those of you who have a higher credit score of 740 and higher, definitely go directly to my lender, okay? Credit, 740 or higher, rates are like 3.5% to 5% with no money down option, okay? Terms are about 84 months, no prepayment penalties on any lender that we have. Okay, so again, if your credit score is 740 or higher, go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the credit application. All credit approvals are based off your credit profile, okay? So keep that in mind. So there you go, guys. 468 big block, 700 R4 overdrive, big 12-bolt, 373 posi, power steering, front power disc brake, bucket seat, console as well on this corporate blue, awesome paint, Cortez silver, RSSS stripes on the car, brand new vinyl top, really nice condition. If you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. These muscle cars are iconic year for a Chevelle. Tangible asset that increases in value every year, as you know. I don't have to educate you guys and gals on that. You already know. So get yours now at mgmclassiccars.com. Text me your zip code for free delivery. Did I say free delivery? Well, for the purchase price of this vehicle that's listed, I will do free delivery. Yes, free delivery, okay, for the purchase price of this vehicle. So remind me, okay, so you don't have to send me your zip code. Just send me a text. I'm ready to buy the car. Let's go. The price of the car is $67,500, and that's delivered right to your doorstep, okay? My name's Thomas. Please text me at 847-848-1850. We'll talk very soon. Bye-bye.